Best crypto miner software for PC. Easy Bitcoin mining on laptop. So today we're going to learn about the best crypto miner software for PC. So Kudu Miner is a cryptocurrency miner packed with features that helps you earn as much money as possible from your laptop or PC. It is easy to install, safe on your hardware, and secure to use. Their platform are fully automated and optimized for both profit and the highest performance on Windows Ubuntu or Linux Kudu operating system and ASICs. It has full transparency and control over mining for no matter where you are. It provides a console that turns complexity into simplicity for ease of use and full control. Cryptex mines, on the other hand, are cryptocurrency that pays you Bitcoin or real world money, be it dollars or any other currency. Cryptex is a Windows app that pays you for the computing power of your PC. You can withdraw Bitcoins or send money directly to a bank card, and the minimum withdrawal amount is just 5 cents. It is very easy to download on your PC, just simply click download to get it. So that is how to identify the best crypto miner software for PC. Is it Bitcoin mining on laptop? If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. We'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.